What is a unit price? A unit price is always a price for every 1 unit. It is some amount of money for every one item. Price per unit. We're going to be using division to determine the unit price. So in this question, a 16-ounce bottle of shampoo cost $4.69. What is the price per ounce rounded to the nearest cent? If I wanted to find the price per ounce, I'm going to take the price and I'm going to divide it by the number of ounces. So in this situation, I need to start with $4.69 and divide it by 16 to come up with the unit price, the price per ounce. Because if we write it as a ratio, we see that we have price $4.69 for every 16 ounces. And what we're trying to come up with is an equivalent ratio, but we want it for just 1 ounce because you always want to compare the same. If you had another bottle of shampoo that had 24 ounces for a different price, it's difficult to compare until you know the unit price, which is how much are you paying for each ounce. Because you can compare and see, well, even though I'm paying more for 24 ounces, it's less per 1 ounce, so I'm getting more for less money. Or you could say I'm paying more per ounce, which would make it not a better deal. So here, if we wanted to create and come up with the price for 1 ounce, which is what a unit price always is, we would see that we would need to divide by 16 in the denominator, which is why we are dividing $4.69 by 16. But all you have to do is use what their question is and divide in that order. So price per ounce means I take the price and I divide it by the number of ounces in the bottle. Another example here would be this chart is showing us the price for a certain amount of area that a grass seed will cover. So you have 4 different brands, and each brand covers a different amount of square feet for a different price. So here we want to see which one has the lowest cost per square feet. Cost is the price. This is the cost. And then per square foot means we want to know if the brand A is $18.99 for 3,000 square feet, how much would brand A be per 1 square foot? So we would divide $18.99 divided by 3,000, and then we would be able to compare that to each of the other ones when we divide $22.99 divided by 4,000. So yes, it covers more square feet, but it costs a little bit more. How do I know which one's better? Well, once I divide, I get the cost per square foot, and the lowest one would be the best deal. So divide cost by the number of square feet for each brand. Then you can compare and see which one is the lowest cost per square foot, and that would be your best deal.